You need to watch this if you're curious about how 3D printing can change the game for engineers. Ready to unlock the secrets of additive manufacturing? Additive manufacturing isn't just about printing parts, it's about rethinking design from the ground up. Let's start with generative design. This process uses AI to create and iterate designs based on specific criteria. Imagine lighter, stronger, and more efficient parts that reduce costs and enhance performance. Generative design is crucial for the future of DFM, designed for additive manufacturing. Next up, part consolidation. Picture this. GE's fuel nozzle for the LEAP aircraft engine went from 20 parts to just one. That's a 25% weight reduction. Consolidating parts trims inventory, cuts labor costs, and simplifies product construction. Plus, it can even make your parts lighter. Now, let's talk topology optimization. This is about finding the perfect material distribution to maintain weight, stiffness, and strength. Think of aircraft parts designed to be half the weight but just as strong. Less weight means lower fuel costs and higher efficiency. These concepts, generative design, part consolidation, and topology optimization, are transforming the way we think about manufacturing. They're not just making parts printable but optimizing them for excellence. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into additive manufacturing. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to keep you ahead of the curve.